Hey, it's Mike with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters. So why do claim adjusters for insurance companies play games with homeowners? Play games with condo owners or townhome owners? What's the reason? Why do they do it? Why do they purposely underpay you? So let me tell you a few things and a few tricks that they love to do. For instance, most people end up having an inspection done by the claim adjuster. Now the claim adjuster comes to your home, you show them the damage, and they tell you, "Oh boy, this looks bad. We're gonna take care of you. Don't worry. We're gonna pay you. Everything's gonna be fine. Like a lot of damage, right?" They're there for an hour. You get the estimate, $2,000. You have multiple rooms damaged. You can't believe it. And they're there for an hour. Well, you know how long for 3 rooms, let's just say, it should have taken for him to do it? 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So what's he doing? Well, it's called dragging out your day. The claim adjusters are famous for this. How do I know? I was a claim adjuster for an insurance company. I also then audited files for an insurance company. So I was also doing fire damage investigations. I know all the tricks. I know what they do. They want to mosey on out and just take their time. Now, if it's an independent adjuster, they may get paid by the job. They could be in and out. Company adjuster, they got to take their time. They want to be out of the office, have a couple days in the office. So that's a trick they do. Don't fall for it. They'll make you feel like you're their friend. You're in good hands, right? Or like a good neighbor. Well, unfortunately, that isn't what happens in property damage claims. You do not have a good neighbor in the insurance company. You are not in good hands more often than not. All right? So why do they play these games? Why do they right then, you come back and there's this low estimate? Because they've actually been brainwashed in a way. They believe that we're all wrong. We don't deserve to get paid. We don't deserve to get our property fixed in a roundabout way. Their job is to essentially protect the insurance company. And I can beat that to death, and some people would still continue to try and handle the claim themselves, especially if it's over $10,000. Maybe some people have luck. I don't know of many, and it becomes frustrating. Now, here's something else. Most recently, one of the attorneys I work with shared with me that an attorney he knows went to this conference. This is going to be something that's mind-blowing. So out of 100, because the percentage was 97%, so I'm just going to break it down easily. Out of 100 claims, only 3 people, 3%, whatever that duration is, 1,000 people, 100,000 people, 3% actually fight their claims to where it ends up in a lawsuit. Meaning, fight the insurance company, pass any type of denial or lowball offer. So there's 90% of you out there, 97%, that say, "Okay, thank you, insurance company. I realize my claim isn't what it was worth and what I thought the money I was going to get, but that's okay. Thank you. I'll pay you my premiums again this year." There's other people. "Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Insurance Company, for denying my claim. Hey, hon, listen, sorry, we can't, we're going to have to come up to the money with this one. The insurance company denied it. They said there's no opening in our roof, so they can't cover the roof claim. They said that the water damage is longer than 6 months that we had, even though we just discovered the leak. They said that the fire might be caused by us." Okay. You think of the claim, cast iron pipes. Well, there's a water leak or water damage limit of $10,000. Or, well, the policy says that they don't replace the full cast iron pipes. All these type of things are the same crap that comes from the insurance company to make sure you don't fight it. And like the media that doesn't have our best interests, the insurance company doesn't have your best interests. They're not telling you the truth. they're not being honest with you. They're not hoping to pay your claim to the value that it deserves, right? So claim adjusters are brainwashed. And once they start working for long periods of time, it becomes worse and worse. Some people like me are smart enough to get out of there relatively quickly. So I'm saved. I'm preserved. I'm not brainwashed by the insurance companies. I don't like them at all. Haven't liked them for years. It's been such a long time since I've been on that side of the fence. I would never go back. Never, ever. I know too much. And so they don't particularly like me, and that's all right. I don't like them. So yeah, other things that claim adjusters do is they trick you with the policy language. Like they'll interpret something that you tell them, and they'll use it as a way to exclude or not cover or deny your claim. That's right. So, for instance, you can tell them if you have roof damage, it was from a hurricane, tropical storm, you call and say, hey, rain came in my house, Mr. and Mrs. Claim Adjuster, and we have ceiling stains and water down our walls, the baseboards. And so the adjuster says, oh, so it happened from rain? Yeah, rain came in. So they deny it because you said rain caused it. And you're right. But guess what? How did the rain get in there? Because from wind, it was damaged. So of course, rain and water came in there and damaged it. The cause is not from the rain. The cause is from the wind. Yet the adjuster is protecting his paycheck, protecting his employer, and saying, well, you told me it was rain, so we got to deny the claim. So these are the games that they play. And it's important to have somebody represent you that has been on that side of the fence, know how they think, know how they operate, and know ultimately what their goal is. Their goal is either to pay you as little as possible or not pay you at all. Depends on the claim, but that's primarily what they look to do. And I've got proof of that on my computer. I can show you many different claims. Check out my video. Is your damages less than your deductible video? I go through a specific example of two varying estimates, mine versus the insurance company. So other things that claim adjusters do that to try and play games with the homeowner is drag things out, maybe ask for documents. Okay, they'll tell you that they're still investigating the claim. They can't make a coverage decision yet. Bull crap. They can make a coverage decision within 2 weeks. If it takes them 2 weeks, they're incompetent. It basically takes one visit to your home, talking with you over the phone, and they can determine whether coverage is applicable and they should be paying you. Now, on the backside of that is what they pay you is a totally different thing, but at least they should be able to determine if they should pay you. Shouldn't take longer than 2 weeks. But again, welcome to the world of claim adjusters and the insurance companies. Delay, delay, delay. Pay as low as you can. Deny, deny, deny. That's it. That's it in a nutshell when it comes to these insurance companies. So if you need somebody, if the claim adjuster isn't being fair to you, if you think they're trying to pull something on you, make sure you give me a call. I'll be able to help you with them, help you against the insurance company. We're in this together. I only represent you. I only represent people. That's it. And I'll definitely have your back and fight for you. My name is Mike with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters, and thank you for watching this video.